Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to JPG format. So there are many options to do that, and by my preference, I mostly do it with a website. By heading to my Chrome browser, I search for I love PDF, and there is an option for converting into PDF to JPG. Click on it. And here you can see an option, click to PDF file, click. Here you can see an option, select PDF file, click on it. Here you can search for your desired PDF folder that you want to convert into JPG format. If you are okay with your choice, currently you can see it's in PDF format. Click on open and click on the right side of convert to JPG. And here you just have to click on download the JPG image. And yeah, here you can see your desired PDF is converted into JPG format. As you can see, there is a .jpg written in the right side of your file. And yeah, that's it. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick conversion tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.